That we are watching case numbers really closely. The good news is that more than 2 weeks after Memorial Day weekend, there has been no spike in COVID-19 cases, but we're not necessarily out of the woods just yet. Here's 2 on your side's Jackie Roberts.
Even as New York State rolls out its reopening plan, COVID-19 numbers continue to decline. And locally, Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz said on Twitter, with 88 patients, Erie is now lower than at any point since we started tracking COVID-19 patients in area hospitals. Dr. Thomas Russo, the chief of infectious diseases at UB, says he's pleasantly surprised by the numbers.
I think that there's really 2 reasons that we're doing so well. I think that first, even though we're starting to open things up, people have been cautious and people, for the most part, have been following the suggested public health measures, importantly using masks and social distancing.
He says the second reason is likely that most of the activities have been outdoors.
We know that it's much riskier to do indoor activities under crowded conditions than outdoors where people could spread out and the virus disperses more readily.
But Governor Cuomo says many states are in a different position, now seeing spikes in cases.
It is all across the country. We are the exception.
But the governor also stressed that this is not over. Dr. Russo says in order to keep numbers on the decline, we should continue social distancing and mask usage as we move forward in reopening.
I think it's really important that even though we're moving through the phases, we don't have a false sense of security. The new coronavirus is out there. We still have a low number of cases, but it's not zero. And if we drop our guard in executing the public health measures that we've been doing so well with, we're going to see another spike of cases. There's little question about that.
In Buffalo, Jackie Roberts, Channel 2 News.
Thank you.